Welcome back, developers. We hope you are as ready as ever to delve into the world of Flutter. Head into the search bar and type Download Flutter for Windows. Click on the top search from Flutter documentation and scroll down to find your downloadable zip. Click on the button and wait for all files to finish downloading. Next, head to your C folder and create a new one named whatever you like. After extracting all files from the zip, move the downloaded files into the new folder you have just created. In order for Flutter to work in your computer, we have to set its working path manually. Type Edit Environment Variables for your account. Choose the path variable and click Edit. After we enable the path variable for editing, configure by copying your Flutter bin files path. You can do so by clicking the right button and choose Copy Address Text. Head back to the environment variables and create a new path by clicking New and paste the copied path. Now that we have configured the path, we will check if Flutter has been successfully installed in our computer. Head to Command Prompt and type in Flutter Doctor. Upon loading, you will see that 3 issues are available if you have not downloaded Android Studio and Visual Code. Otherwise, we're now good to go explore Flutter.